We're quickly cutting across to Indrajit there in West Bengal. It seems like a ruckus has broken out.
And BJP supporters claim that they were pelted with stones from this side of the road. So they came on this side and they started vandalizing these vehicles. The same situation, in a sense, a repetition of what happened in the last road show that the BJP had conducted a few days back in Khidirpur area, where a slipper was thrown at the BJP rally and the BJP workers had thrown flags at the Trinamool Congress. Today, black flag protests and, of course, a lot of chaos. With camera person Tapas Baidi, Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
All right, we see that violence is again broken out there between the TMC and the BJP members while a rally was underway. Indrajit brings us the live report.
वो प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं क्योंकि कुछ ही देर पहले जब ये रोड शो टालीगंज इलाके से गुजर रही थी तब बीजेपी की ओर से ये कहा गया, बीजेपी समर्थकों की ओर से ये कहा गया कि कुछ पथराव हुआ है उन पे और वो गुस्सा होकर इधर आ गए। और आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह से तोड़फोड़ की गई। 3 टू व्हीलर है, एक बाइक को तोड़ा गया, 2 मोटरसाइकिल को तोड़ा गया है, 3 मोटरसाइकिल को तोड़ा गया है, चेयर तोड़ा गया है। तो आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह से तोड़फोड़ की गई है क्योंकि बीजेपी के जो समर्थक है उनमें काफ़ी आक्रोश है, गुस्सा है। वो कह रहे हैं कि रास्ते के इस साइड से एक साइड को पूरा ट्रैफिक बंद कर दिया गया था, दूसरे साइड से मैं कैमरा पर्सन को कहूँगा दिखाने के लिए, दूसरी साइड से रोड शो जा रही थी और बीजेपी के जो समर्थक हैं उन्होंने ये कहा कि इस तरफ से, रास्ते के इस तरफ से उस तरफ पथराव की गई है और वो गुस्से में सरवा गए और इस तरह से भगदड़ मच गई और फिर तोड़फोड़ शुरू हो गया। पुलिस भी बहुत कम थी और अब पुलिस के लोग यहाँ पे आके किसी ना किसी तरह से हालत को संभालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। मैं देख सकता हूँ कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा भी पुलिस फोर्स दिया गया है। यहाँ पे एक या दो ही पुलिस फोर्स थे वहाँ पे तब, और बीजेपी के कई सारे जो कार्यकर्ता थे वो गुस्से में यहाँ पे आ गए और 3 से 4 जो बाइक है उन पर तोड़फोड़ कर दी। कैमरा पर्सन तापस बेड़ी के साथ इंद्रजीत, आज तक, कोलकाता।
All right, you heard it. It appears that some clashes again resulted in violence with some of the BJP members vandalizing property, some vehicles being damaged there. As per a reporter on ground, he says that stones were pelted at those members who were part of that rally. And in reaction, some of the BJP members hit back with stones and vandalized some property, some bikes. There you have it, the visuals there of the rally going amok. Many of them turning aggressive right after stones were pelted at members who were part of that rally. That's the information we get here. Visuals that you see here from Suvendu Adhikari's rally. Remember, Suvendu Adhikari, one of those members of the TMC who's jumped ships, joined the BJP. He's holding a massive rally there in Kolkata. Some stones were pelted and now BJP members vandalizing property there. Here we have Indrajit joining us for more details. Indrajit, take us through exactly what happened. We saw some shots that you showed us.
Well, that's right, Nabila. In a very short span of time, everything was berserk because what the BJP workers were claiming the stones were pelted. They immediately rushed to the other side of the road and look at what they have done. They have vandalized 3 two-wheelers. I can see this is one of the two-wheelers. My camera person can come and show. The other two-wheelers have also been vandalized, and BJP workers were really angry. They vandalized the two-wheelers and they were saying that stones were pelted from this area. And you can see one of the vehicles is being carried by the locals out here. We can see stones lying everywhere. So completely chaotic scenes. You can see the headlight of the vehicle lying out here. So what happened was the road show was passing by peacefully. We saw one black flag protest with 3 or 4 women supporters of the Trinamool Congress who were protesting with black dupatta. And then suddenly we saw the entire congregation of BJP supporters coming on the other side, other flank of the road where the traffic was blocked for some time because the road show was passing by. And BJP workers claimed that stones were hurled at them and they rushed towards this side, and they claimed that people were here around this part of the road. Therefore, they rushed towards this side of the road, and what happened after that was angry BJP workers literally started vandalizing some of the vehicles that were parked here on this part of the road. You can see the complete
The visuals there of the crowd going amok. You saw Indrajit there reporting live. As he mentioned, some people threw stones, hurled stones at those who were part of this rally, this massive rally held by Suvendu Adhikari. And right in reaction, after stones were hurled at them, angry BJP workers, there you see it, running amok. They rushed towards a certain area, vandalized some property there. And here, situation now being calmed by the police, right? In fact, security vigil there wasn't enough security personnel there at the spot. Right after the incident, police came by to try and calm the situation. We're going right back to Indrajit. Indrajit, take us through what more do you see right behind you? What's the situation now? Has it quelled?
Well, if my camera person can show the entire area, there's a lot of police presence. There's a lot of local people who are present now. They're trying to figure out as to what suddenly happened. We can see plainclothes police personnel. This, of course, was complete chaos. In a split second or two, suddenly we saw complete chaos in this area. And BJP workers started coming towards this side. If my camera person can give you a sense, we'll go to the main road and my camera person Tapas Berry will show you the location of this area, because this is a very busy thoroughfare, and this is a Taligunj area, and I will show you. Now you can see the police personnel with sticks. Now on the other side of the road is, of course, where the rally was passing by, the road show was passing by, and suddenly there was allegation that stones were hurled from this side of the road on the other side, and all the BJP supporters who were there in the road show, they jumped this cordon, this median, and they came on this side and they started vandalizing bikes that were there, because they said that those people who were throwing stones had fled from this gully, fled from this by-lane. And therefore, the entire wrath of the BJP supporters fell on vehicles which were parked in this area, because they felt that those people who were vandalizing, the mischief creators, they had run away through this area. And then they were easily overpowered because there were barely a handful of policemen, about 2 policemen that I could spot, and these vehicles were ransacked. So clearly, once again, some chaos in BJP's roadshow in Kolkata. Just a few days back, when another roadshow was organized by the BJP in Khidirpur area, we saw how there was a Trinamool Congress stage where Trinamool Congress supporters had gathered, and there was a simultaneous political event that was taking place, and a shoe was hurled at the BJP roadshow, and we saw some flags being thrown in response to the Trinamool Congress camp. So you can see the charged political atmosphere here in West Bengal.
Indrajit, the violence that you just witnessed right now during the rally of Suvendu Adhikari, what really happened? Who prompted the BJP workers to run amok and vandalize property there? Were stones hurled at them initially, and to that they responded with violence?
Well, that exactly is the allegation. The BJP workers was, said, they alleged that stones were hurled from this side of the road towards the side where the road show was passing by, and suddenly they got agitated, angry,
there is a piece of visual that we see here where a person is hurling a stone from the opposite side of the road.
Absolutely. 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 So stones were hurled from one side of the road to the other side of the road where the road show was moving by, and that angered BJP supporters who rushed towards this side of the road, and then it was complete mayhem and chaos in which several two-wheelers, as we said, were vandalized by angry BJP supporters.
Right, Indrajit, thank you very much for joining us. You stay safe. Here you can see, there you have it, stones being hurled at the rally, Suvendu Adhikari's rally there. And in reaction to that, a bunch of the BJP workers rush towards a certain area and vandalize some of those bikes, vehicles that were parked right by.